Hello everybody on Swimmingly Kevin Collects here, and here I am wanting to open up some Pokemon packs, and let's just see what we open up here with this very slow loading thing, and we get some Twilight Masquerade. Now let's go open that up right now. And here we got 3 packs of Twilight Masquerade. Now let's open it up and see what we get. Hopefully, let's see if we can get that Ninja, huh? That'll be pretty cool. Code card, Energy, Darminica, ooh, Corphish, Grookey, Heliotile, Pomade, Cook, Ducklet, Slugma, and Arcanine. Alright, second pack. Hey, jeez, Louise, it just goes purposely. I don't know. I don't feel purposely, but. Jesus. Trottle, Dipplin, Chinyu, Lucky, Poltergeist, Lyran, and Pheasantipity. Last pack. Code card. Energy. Nose Pass. Sinking. Sunkern. Abra. Marine Mass. Protopass. Heracross. Community Center. And Heliolisk. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. And then Iron Leaves. Nice. That's nice to see. A Heliolisk. Wow. So, not too bad. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment and subscribe. Bye.